Puss in Boots. Once upon a time, there was a poor miller's son. His father left him with only one thing, a cat. The son was sad. "What can I do with a cat?" he said. But the cat was clever. "Buy me a pair of boots and a bag," said the cat. "I will make you rich." The boy was surprised, but he listened. The cat wore the boots. He looked very smart. The cat went into the forest. He caught rabbits and gave them to the king. "This is a gift from my master," said the cat. The king was happy. He thought the boy was a great lord. One day, the king's carriage passed by the river. The cat shouted, "Help! My master is drowning. Thieves took his clothes." The king gave the boy fine clothes. He looked like a nobleman. Then the cat ran to a big castle. An ogre lived there. The cat tricked the ogre and scared him away. The king saw the castle. The cat said, "This is my master's castle." The king was surprised. He let his daughter marry the boy. The boy became rich and happy. And the clever cat lived in the castle too, always wearing his fine boots. So kids, sometimes, clever thinking and confidence are more powerful than money. Let's look at the new words. Miller, a man who works in a mill. Clever, smart, good at ideas. Boots, strong shoes that cover the leg. Nobleman, a rich and important man. Ogre, a big, scary monster. Like and subscribe for more stories and lessons.